Hello friends, before going to ustrasana poses, we will do 3 exercises. Let's start. We will do this one. 5. This we will do 10 times. Now, this will also 10 times. Four. Now again we will do one more back exercise so that we can do easily those ustrasana poses. Now, how we will do those ustrasana poses? Just I'm telling how we do those ustrasana poses. Yes, friends, how we will do ustrasana posture and doing this posture, what are the key points we must take care of it. So come and what are the key points that I will tell you. First, when you do, you just your thigh should be close and attached. No gap should be there. So now, and your both heel and toes should be fully closed and attached. So this was the pose. Now your this position will be straight. Now you have your just straight parallel to the ground. Now first you hold your the right hand with right leg like that and the left hand with left leg. This. So doing this posture, you must take care of that when you will down your body. Your thigh should not be detached, your toe and your heel should not be detached. So this one, now head down. And do also counter pose. So how we'll do those ustrasana poses and must take care of the key points.